Eva Trades.
Good day. My name is Josh, and this is a quick review of my trading day from March 16th. This was day 3 of phase 2 and my third green day in a row. So I traded 4 tickers today, starting in the pre-market. And by the time the bell rang, I was down over $40 in the hole. Ouch. But soon after, PATH and PCT popped up on the Hive Day Momentum Scanner, and I got to green, only up $11, but green is green, right? So I stopped the live stream and began uploading the video to YouTube when I look over, and what do I see? PATH, a trade I just can't resist. So I jump in it and I quickly hit the record button, and the trade of the day got me almost to my daily goal of $50. It was pretty awesome. You'll get to see that and my other trades starting right now. So it's just after 5:30 and not much is happening, and then LIPO hits the scanner. And so that big green candle there, it pops up above $3, it drops back below, I jump in it, never gets back up above. And so now I'm going to hold through this consolidation, and it's an equilibrium forming on the 1 minute time frame. So that's what I'm looking at, looking for a higher low. We're putting that higher low in, and now we're going to get this higher high. So I'm holding this, but now it's starting to pull back, and I'm thinking, boy, this isn't good. Not what I was expecting. So I got out of the trade for a loss. My first trade on the day, $20 loss. So we formed a support at 258, we bounced, and now we're back testing it kind of, and we're above the EMA also. So I'm trying to play off of that, but it starts to break, but then it's a false breakout, starting to come back down. So I have to get out for yet another loss. So it did drop down, but the bulls bought the dip at 254. And so now we're getting a move back up above 273. I'm playing this for a 5 minute higher low, anticipating a higher high, or at the very least a lower high, maybe a move up towards $3. So I'm going to hold this for a little bit, looking for that move. I'm trying to get back to green. I'm almost back to green on the day. I'm getting close. You see my open P&L is it was like 41 cents there for a second, but now it's dropping back down. So no, I'm going to cut this. I don't want to take a big loss. So after making back half of my loss on that last trade, now I'm getting back in this for 1 minute consolidation and breakout higher. And I'm going to hold it, but it just doesn't hold up. It's starting to pull back. That's not what I was expecting. So obviously I'm not going to stay in that trade. And now I'm playing this for a bounce off the EMA. That's that blue line. I want to see it move higher though right away, and it's not doing it. And it's starting to show weakness. That should never have happened like that, so I'm getting out. I don't like the way that looks. And now I'm playing the bounce off of the yellow EMA. But again, after holding it for a little bit, I don't like the way this one looks either, so I'm going to sell it for yet another loss. So I'm getting closer to being down 20 bucks again. So the bounce off the EMA was the correct assumption. However, I'm not in that trade anymore. I end up getting back in this trade as it's bouncing. So I'm in much higher than I wanted to be. And now it's pulling back against me. So I'm getting out for the loss, expecting a drop. And then guess what? On this next trade, it doesn't drop. The bulls hold up. And as it starts to go higher, I'm anticipating a 5 minute equilibrium. And so I'm wondering if that pullback on the 5 minute, if that's going to be our higher low. So that's what's got me getting back in this. Plus it's an inside bar bull break on the 1 minute time frame. So now I'm holding that bull flag on the 1 minute there, breaking out. So now we're going higher. So I'm going to keep holding this. But then the bears step in and you see this flush that is not normal price action. And so I'm exiting for another loss. Now I also traded this stock pre-market, but I didn't get it recorded. Just know that I took a $13 loss on it. And that was too bad. I didn't trade it again after that. All right, the bell rang. I'm looking for a pullback. I get in on a dip buy right here, looking for a gap and go setup, 5 minute equilibrium breakout. As it's going to start to go, I start to have second thoughts. I get out, but I make money back. So I make back some of my losses. That's about a $10 win. That's not bad. And I decided to try it again here. Same concept, looking for that 5-minute equilibrium to break bullish. But I don't like the weakness that I'm seeing there. So I'm getting back out. So giving back some of the profit, going back down and lower in the red. And here I'm trying it one more time. It is holding up. It's looking pretty good. But then there's that weird wick. And I don't like that. It's almost like they were like the bulls tried to, I don't know what that was, but it confused me. And so I got out of the trade, took another loss on it, and I was done with LIPO. I didn't want anything more to do with it at that point. It was just too choppy. So about 5 minutes into the day, the light starts to shine. PATH pops up on the Hive Day Momentum Scanner. I'm buying it for a back test of 1774. And I'm going to add to it after the break and look for a move up to $18. So watch this. Here we go. I'm going to sell as soon as we break the high of that last candle. Very nice. PCT also hitting the Hive Day Momentum Scanner. I pull it up, I enter my stop parameters, and I jump in that trade for a back test to $6. And then I'm looking for the break over the last candle up through 620, and then I'm going to sell it. Really nice profit. Look at that. And now I'm going to buy a back test down to that previous pivot of 640 and a back test of 650 psychological. But now it starts to drop below. It's making me nervous. The volume weighted average price is down below me. I was like, nah, I'm going to get out of this. Look for another trade on it. So looking for a bounce off of the volume weighted average price. That's the white dotted line. We didn't quite get there. I jumped in it a little early. So I'm going to sell this quick on the bounce and look for another move down. Not bad, up $40. Okay, there's the move down to the volume weighted average price. So now I'm jumping in it. And what kills me so much is that I didn't hold this for the move back up through the highs. I'm just going to sell it here on a quick bounce, and then I'm going to be done for the day, and I'm going to shut the live stream down, and that's it. Walk away. Green on the day. I was worried about going red, but look at that move it made. So here it is, the trade of the day. After I stopped the live stream, I quickly hit record again. I'm in this trade for a break through the highs. I bought on the breakout over that red candle on the 1 minute time frame, and there it broke the high. I sold it. I made $40 on that one trade alone. Here I tried to get back in again for another little pop up towards 7, but that one I decided to get back out of. But finishing the day up right at my daily goal. Just a beautiful way to end the day. So excited. And here's a look at my P&L and the stocks that I traded. You can see I'm up 43.58 on the day. So far I'm up $725 and kicking off phase 2 with a bang. 3 green days in a row. There's a look at my chart. It's been fun. I can't wait till tomorrow morning, Friday morning. I hope you'll join me for the live stream. We'll see you then. Thanks for watching. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.